Yo, yo, it's SmallmouthCrush. Guess where I'm at? I'm in Georgia. How did I end up in Georgia? I don't know. It's all coming up. So I pulled an all-nighter on my way down to the FLW Costa Championship on Lake Guntersville. Got here about a day and a half early. Just getting ready. I'm gonna actually go fishing today. You guys are gonna come along. I'm near Chattanooga, Georgia line. Alabama's so close I can taste it. I've had a lot of good times in Georgia, don't get me wrong. I love the state. But we're gonna head over to Tennessee. We can't fish Lake Guntersville for 2 more days. It's off limits. So I'm gonna check out Nickajack. Why? Because I love the name Nickajack, for one. And second of all, because it's on the Tennessee River, it's gonna fish hopefully similar to Guntersville, maybe give me an idea what's going on. I don't know. I mean, you got Chickamauga or whatever it's called. I want to say Chickamunxon or Chickaharmony. There's too many chicks. Sometimes that's a good thing. But today, we're gonna go find some bass in the grass. Or maybe there is no grass on Nickajack. I don't know. I'm all wired. I'm wired up right now, guys. Let's try to go find a boat launch. It's probably another half hour before it gets light. And see if we can do some damage down here in the south. By the way, it's cold down here in the south. I got 52 degrees, but it was like 39, 40 on the way down here, so it's warming up. Slight breeze. We'll get into that once we find the launch. Let's go. I'm on my second coffee. I left at 7:30 last night, but I stopped somewhere in Tennessee at a. This is a Pilot here. It was one of those Loves or something. Anyway, so I just grab a coffee, and I'm going to pay, and she's like, "Have a good day." I'm like, "Come again?" She's like, "You're good." I go, "Cool. All right, thank you." I just pulled into this Pilot. I went in there. No kidding, grabbed a cup of coffee, started walking to the counter, and the girl goes, "Do you need anything else?" I go, "No, just a coffee." She goes, "Have a good day." You will not be able to pull that off at a Wawa. I'll tell you that right now. Or a Quick Trip for my Wisconsin friends. I found the launch ramp. Here we are, Nickajack. Nickajack all around us. I don't know what I'm doing. It's gonna be fun. Well, I got 66-degree water temp. Trying to see if we can find some bait fish flickering around here. Maybe I need to throw a crankbait for a little bit. I don't want to break out the crankbait so early in the trip, but I will. I guess we're going to break out a lot of stuff today. He is a peg fish. This is like a 10-pounder, dude. Guaranteed. Wow, look at this guy. What a pig. Whew. Oh man, that's a big one. Gee. Actually, I didn't snag him. He bit, but it's wrapped around this dorsal fin. Get a better angle on that beast. I knew I didn't want to pick up a crankbait so early in the morning, but I did. I'd like to get it back. I'm not going to bring them in the boat. You guys know what a sheephead looks like. hit like it had rabies though. Sick bite on the 6XD silent. Where's the old knockaroo? There he is. I'd like to get that bait back. So, use the plug knocker. I think it's on wood though, that's the problem. It could be a problem. I mean, it works. It's a good investment. I would probably put on a better quality reel than this, because this ain't working. It's got a tangled up mess. Alright, it popped free that time. Okay, so, as I was saying, the reel's kind of shot apparently. So, we're just going to have a bunch of line and a big mess. Which is pretty cool, but at least we got our crankbait back. I'm a little jitterish from all that free coffee, by the way. Thank you, Tennessee. I'm sorry, but bridge, point, current, drop shot, Fisher Strinks. I didn't want to pull it out, but I got to do it. I got to get me a fish or two. Looks good. Looks damn good. Yes, it did. It looked real well, but I could not get a fish off of that. I had to, I decided to go back into a creek, start at the mouth, and just work my way back. And found some fish midway on a frog, and then there was some fish busting back in mats. And they would hit my frog, but I couldn't get a lot of hookups. But I did catch a few. So. Finally got one here on the old Froggerooey. Now he's not big, but this is my first Nickajack bass. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty pathetic. But we're on the board. Well, I caught that frogfish. It was not a giant, but it may be a clue. I just saw some fish busting up here, so I started a big motor. I'm gonna try to get back here. I'm back up in a creek, and there is some good mats along the bank, and I did see a 5 or 6 of them kind of busting. I don't know. I gotta go over there and look. What am I gonna throw? Shower blow? Pop bar? I don't know. There's so many choices. Now they stopped busting. But they're still there. Well, here's a little update. It's not what I was expecting. No, I'm back at the ramp. I messed during, I don't know. I got no, whatever. That's how I sum it up. But I got a good buddy named Matt who moved down near Chattanooga. And we used to walleye fish together. He used to live back in Wisconsin. So I called him up. He's going to meet me down here. We're going to, I guess, go back out for a couple hours. I don't know why. He wants to go fishing, I guess. So we're going to do that. Keep the cameras rolling. Maybe we can get on something. Probably not. It's windy. The wind kicked up. I had some frog bites. I probably had 7 frog bites. But only got that one in. They're biting light and they're small, so it doesn't even matter. It's a bass. Bam! Take that.
And that's how it's done.
That's how you do it. Gotta get that on the camera. Now we gotta introduce you and all that stuff. We'll do that. We're on them now. Big ones. Well, it's starting to rain. I'm in a bad mood. You guys haven't met Matt yet. What's up, dude?
How you doing?
So we used to fish together back in the day.
Back.
Walleyes.
Yeah.
We caught a few walleyes. I remember you caught a monster with me once. Remember that thing?
Yeah, that happens.
It was like 14 pounds, dude.
Something like that. It was like 29 3/4 inches.
No, I think it was like 34 inches. But
That
whatever.
one? Oh yeah, that was a different time.
Yeah, yeah.
We did that a lot, dude.
Exactly. But we had fun. It was cool to get out. This lake sucks, by the way.
Yeah, I'll have to.
I mean, you know what conditions? I mean, this is what you live down here. This is kind of the first cold front, right?
Yeah, first cold front. It's been about a week, and it's been a real cold snap. The water temperature's starting to drop. So
You'd think they'd start biting though.
You'd think they would, but it kind of seemed like the bite was very off today. Still managed to pull a few though.
Yeah. Hey guys, I think the bite. I think it was just an off day. Hopefully this isn't what's to come once we get over to Guntersville. I'm not sure if I'm going to be fishing tomorrow. We might have rain, and Matt got backlash and all my reels, so I got to re-spool. So I got a lot of stuff to do, but we caught a few fish. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I don't know. I got to do the editing. Maybe you'll enjoy watching me catch 2-pounders. You never know. You never know what these guys like
That's
to see.
true.
You know what I mean? We got to put it out there for them. I'm just messing with you guys. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave any likes, comments below. And as always, until next time, we'll see you guys on the water.